You guys, how are you? Happy April 24th. I am still in the middle of celebrating Earth Week. We should be doing everything we can to protect three important things, and that would be the air, the earth, and the water. So in order to protect those three things, there's one major thing that we should be concerned about. And today I'm standing by my handy dandy garbage can so I can talk to you about all the good stuff that goes in there. I don't know if you guys know what a landfill is. What exactly is a landfill? Unfortunately, all the information that is out there is very highly confusing when it comes to landfills. But I'm going to try to simplify it so you can understand. This is my definition, my words. A landfill is a place that collects and manages garbage. So all the stuff that you put in your cans, they're collecting it from you, from your neighbors, from your city, from your state, from everywhere. They're collecting the garbage and then they take it to a facility, a place to process and manage that garbage. And there are like a million rules pertaining to that. Many years ago, it was not called a landfill, it was called a dump. And I guess in some cases, in some places, some people say, oh, I'm going to take my garbage to the dump. Technically, yes, that's true. You can take it to the dump, but it's called a landfill. So the reason why it's so confusing to people is because every state, every region, every geographic location has specific rules. So if you had seen my previous videos, you already know that in my area, we're considered a metropolitan area. It's the Washington, D.C. metropolitan area, which consists of the District of Columbia, Maryland, and Virginia. So that's why DMV Shreds magazine focuses on those three areas. In Virginia and Maryland, they refer to it as the Solid Waste Management Facility because they handle solid waste. So the District of Columbia has no landfills, zero landfills. What they do have, they have something called the Department of Public Works, which is it falls under the DC government, not the federal government. They govern themselves. So the District of Columbia governs themselves, and they have the Department of Public Works, who handles solid waste. In the state of Virginia, there are three specific landfills. We have sanitary, construction, and industrial. Those are the three landfills. In the state of Maryland, they don't talk about landfills. They talk about waste management facilities. So they talk about domestic, commercial, and non-hazardous industrial solid waste. But I hope that you enjoyed this very brief introduction to landfills